All right, we got a 2022 Kia Forte here, and we're going to remove the GPS tracker that a dealer installed on it. Usually these are installed very poorly. If you have a Kia, normally they're just installed right behind this fuse box cover right here. If we go ahead and take that off, if you see anything like this, this is your original OBD connector right here. It's going to go ahead and unplug this, okay? And all this right here is the aftermarket tracker. So if someone wanted to steal your car, pretty much all that we need to do is unplug this right here, and the tracker loses its power. They still might have a little battery in there, but if they just snap the zip tie, you can go ahead and get the module right out pretty quick. Let's see here. I went ahead and broke the wires on that. Here's the module, the tracking module. Then we just throw that out the window and we're good to go. So the way these work is they give you another OBD connector, or your like this. So your original OBD connector plugs into here, and then this blue connector here plugs into the tracker, and then they give you an OBD connector like this that sits down here like this, and this is what you use to read your codes and get your state inspection done and things like that. But actually these things run into problems doing your state inspections, but that's all it takes to disable and remove these GPS trackers that are sold by the dealers. Okay, so if you found this video interesting, leave me a comment or hit that like button. Would really appreciate it.